In 2018, an idea was born, a private rocket company from India. Two young dreamers founded Skyroot Aerospace, driven by an audacious mission to open space for all. Their dream was fueled by a revolutionary reform by Honourable Prime Minister Shri a reform that enabled Indian startups to aim beyond the sky. And in 2022, enabled by InSpace and ISRO, Skyroot made history. Vikram-S, India's first private rocket, was launched to space. And that was just the beginning. Today, they have grown from 2 to over 1,000 space professionals. And now, Skyroot takes another leap. Welcome to Infinity, India's largest private rocket factory that can roll out one rocket every month. Spanning 200,000 square feet, Infinity is a space to design, to build, to integrate, and to test. Equipped with advanced environment-controlled manufacturing bays, clean rooms, automated filament winding systems, precision CNC machines, propulsion labs, avionics labs, and more. Here, we realize infinite possibilities. Infinity builds upon the foundation we established with MaxQ, our headquarters and India's first private integrated rocket design and development facility. This is an expansion that will propel India's private space revolution to build rockets at scale as India aims to reach $44 billion space economy by 2033 and 50 launches per year by 2030 as envisioned by the Honourable Prime Minister. And it all begins with Vikram-1, India's first private commercial rocket, getting ready for a historic launch in early 2026 from Indian soil. Standing as tall as a 7-story building, Vikram-1 is engineered to deploy multiple satellites to Earth's orbit. This is India's first launch vehicle made entirely from carbon fiber. Lighter, stronger, more efficient. Its engines 3D printed. Its booster stage, Kalam 1200, is India's largest privately developed rocket stage. Every component, every system, precision engineered by Team Skyroot. 100% designed and made in India. From a vision to reality, from 2 people to over 1,000, from a small office space to India's largest private rocket factory. Today, we stand at the threshold of history again.
आज का दिन हम सभी के लिए, विशेष रूप से पूरी स्काईरूट टीम के लिए अत्यंत गौरवशाली और सम्मानीय है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, अब मैं आपसे विनम्र अनुरोध करता हूं, कृपया अपने समक्ष दिए गए बटन को दबाकर इन्फिनिटी कैंपस का वर्चुअल उद्घाटन करें और विक्रम-1 ऑर्बिटल रॉकेट को अनवील करें।